Okay, next is regarding tribal groups or nomadic communities. Bushmen, Maasai, Bedouins. Region Australia, Kenya, Saudi Arabia. Bushman tribes of Kalahari Desert, that is in Africa. Maasai tribes of Savannah, Kenya, Tanzania region. Bedouins of deserts, Saudi Arabia. So 2 pairs. B is the answer. Huh? Not correct. So A is the answer. Sorry. With reference to mangroves, consider the following. Mangroves occur mainly between latitudes of 60 to 90 degrees in both hemispheres. Mangrove plants have special roots like prop roots or pneumatophores. Mangroves can act as natural filters, trapping and removing pollutants and excess nutrients from the coastal waters. Mangrove can act as natural buffers against coastal erosion, storm surges and tsunamis. Any possibility of elimination? Mangrove is basically a tropical plant. 60 to 90 degree means it belongs to the polar subpolar region. So if you eliminate A straight away, you can get the answer D. Next question is straight from our note. Arrange the following volcanic cones as per their explosiveness. Anyone to get the key? Key കിട്ടാനുണ്ടോ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും? ആർക്കും കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടി വേണം. ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടി വേണം. Okay. Vesuvian, Pelian, Hawaiian, Strombolian. Increasing order of explosiveness. Which is the least explosive among these? Increasing order. Least explosive eda? Hawaiian. Second comes Strombolian. Then comes Vesuvian. Last comes Pelian. Answer must be B. Straight from our notes. തെറ്റിച്ചോ അത്? 15. The Theri Desert is located in which of the following states? Rajasthan, Ladakh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. It was in current affairs. Theri Desert is a small region in the Thoothukudi districts of Tamil Nadu, where we have small red sand dunes, which is often vulnerable to like aeolian or wind erosional activities. The soil is having very low water retention capacity and nutrient retention capacity. So this Theri Desert belongs to Tamil Nadu. It's a red desert found in the Thoothukudi district of Tamil Nadu, small region. Consider the following statements regarding geysers and hot springs. Geysers and hot springs are the same. Okay, we'll see. These are the fountains of steam and water that is heated above boiling point. Location of geysers are highly concentrated to few regions on the surface of Earth. Hot springs are relatively widely distributed and are major tourist attractions. Geysers are highly concentrated to few regions. Hot springs are widely distributed. So, if geysers and hot springs are two different things, then either 2 and 3 both are right or 2 and 3 both are wrong. That is the possibility. These are fountains of steam and water that is heated above boiling point. Is that true? Hot springs and geysers, that you know, first statement is right. Then 2 and 3 is right or 2 and 3 is wrong. So the answer should be incorrect. So answer should be only 2 or none. The answer is none. Both are correct. Like geysers is a type of hot spring which is irregular. From hot springs we have regular supply of like heat, steam and water. But from geysers we have like irregular. Sometimes we have, sometimes we don't have. അല്ല above boiling point അല്ലേ? കാരണം steam വരണമെങ്കിൽ boiling point മേലെ പോണ്ടേ? ഫൗണ്ടെയിൻസ് ഇവിടെ സ്പ്രിംഗ് എന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് വാട്ടർ ഫ്ലോ ആണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ആ വെള്ളം ഒഴുകുന്നത്. D is the answer. 17. Venus is the hottest planet in solar system. Venus is the only planet that spins backwards with respect to other planets. Venus is the only planet with no moons. Which is the hottest planet? Mercury being the closest planet, Venus is the hottest planet because Venus is having carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. Due to the greenhouse effect, it is hot. Venus is the only planet that spins backwards. Venus and Uranus is spinning in opposite direction compared to other planets. Venus is the only planet with no moons. Mercury and Venus, no moons. Earth, 1 moon. Mars, 2 moons. Gaza, Golan Heights, Marib, Palestine, Jordan, Syria. Incorrectly matched. Golan Heights is occupied by Israel. Marib belongs to Yemen. So Gaza, Palestine. So incorrectly matched B. Only 2 pairs. 19. Place the news. Solomon Islands, Senkaku Islands, Spratly Islands. Indian Ocean, North China Sea, South China Sea. Senkaku Islands you might have heard. Japanese, it's like a disputed territory between China and, so it is in East China Sea. Solomon Islands is in Pacific. Spratly Islands, like South China Sea, you might have heard about South China Sea dispute. 9-dash line or cow tongue. So only 1 pair is correctly matched. 20th question, Karakoram anomaly. Okay, growth of glaciers in Karakoram. Next is again a statement type of question. International date line is an imaginary line that runs from north to south and separates 2 calendar days. It split about Kiribati Island, an island nation in Pacific Ocean. Second statement, right or wrong? International date line passes only through ocean. It does not pass through any of the land. So second statement is wrong. First statement, is it right or wrong? First statement is right. So answer is C. Gulf is a narrow passage of water connecting 2 seas or 2 other large areas of water. Strait is a large inlet from ocean that penetrates the land. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects 2 larger landmass and separate 2 bodies of water. How many of the statements are correct? What about statement 1? Is it correct? Dash is a narrow passage of water connecting 2 seas. That is strait. Gulf is a large inlet from ocean that penetrates the land. Gulf of Mexico. Isthmus is right. Which of the following country does not have a coast to the Caspian Sea? Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan. Uzbekistan is not having boundary. Okay. How many of the above countries does the equator passes through? Mexico, Colombia, Uganda, Somalia, Indonesia, Albania. So tell me, does equator passes through any of the Asian nations? Indonesia. So Indonesia is there. We know that the equator passes through South America, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador. So will Mexico be one of the country? No. You can eliminate Mexico because the South America is lying south of that. So the answer is only 4. We don't have Mexico and Albania. Okay, equator is not passing through Mexico and Albania.